Wala pa dito.
Picture time, bro. Sir, ikaw ba yan? Ikaw ko.
Dito rin malalaman mo pag malapit ka sa sana ng baway. Hindi ako to kasi may salamin. Dito na ako.
Nonsense.
Kung ano, saan na ako?
Dito. Pwede na tayo. Ay, gagi. Ay, tulong. Pag may nakita tayo strangers, pre.
Meron yun, Ramos. May video tayo. Ramos, video ka kayo sino.
Tsaga lang ah.
Dito nga. Hindi na lang tumagawa.
Hindi man tayo, tara dito. Saka na lahat yan.
Ay, hindi ka mag-picture ko ba? Siguro para ito tayo.
Ay,
Wala. Uy, Mateo, tara dito.
Pasa ba ako? Siyempre. Ano yun?
Hindi sila boy. Diretso na yung boy.
Gago ko ba ito?
Matakbo ako lang.
Alam ko siya tukat eh.
Uy!
Ayun, dito na.
Baka may jump scare dito na.
Uy. Ano nagawa natin?
Sir!
Sir!
Doubling na sa salamin ko. Eh, di ba hindi naman siya? Salamin. Nakikita. Ang tawag dito, sir?
Kaaiban.
Napicturan lang pala.
Picture tayo, sir. Video pala!
Gabi na kayo dito lang yung kaya wala.
Kasi, yung ilaw nag-iiba eh.
Nag-glitch.
Oo. Hindi gagi, unti na lang to para sa atin.
Tagi sa tayo.
Ha?
Tagi sa tayo.
Yan na. Hoy. Ang pato na. Ano na kaya yun, boy? Ano na kaya? Ito dati. Uy, dito. Dito, sir. Ano? Tangalan doon ka pa duwi mo. Laki mo. Sir, dilig ako.
Ay, baka background ba ito ah?
Wala mo sa cellphone para maganda.
Uy, magbawa!
Mami, nasa pinakababa baby. Pinakailalim niya.
Go! You can do it! Sabi ko naman, hindi ko namin na malakas.
Nandito na ako. Ay, ariyan pala. Si Teo.
Vintage boy. Lalakabas? Ano? Gagi, pre. Uy, wag.
Babasa yung jeans ko.
Hindi lang kinakagat.
Hindi.
Sabi ko dito ko nga nag-swimming ganun eh. Swimming dito. Okay, kinagat niya yung mukha niya. Ano, nag-swimming siya sa ganito.
Nakita ko, boy.
Yun ang first time ko mag-swimming.
Uy, takot kayo sa isda.
Magkakasi ako.
Wag!
Kasi! Go kay Kuyo.
Pinukuryente ako.
Marami na kuryente.
Ang laki na to.
Saan?
Laki na na yun yan. Nagkakagat yan oh.
Idip nyo kasi ng maigi.
Konti lang pa.
Ang nawa ko lang.
Ganda. Parang sige. Wow.
dolphins. Long believed to be the gentle souls of the deep and dangerous ocean. They have always fascinated us. We tell stories of dolphins saving lost sailors at sea. We
Bawal po
admire
kasi tayo
sailors
dito, sir, lalo na pag
sense of adventure.
nag-story po.
We love their
Sa
smile.
beach area na lang po.
The dolphins. Well, here at Ocean Adventures, you will see that they come in all shapes and sizes. So, let's introduce our friends to you one by one. Alright, so first up is we have our female bottlenose dolphin, and her name is Nala. Now, our dolphins are very friendly animals, and they would like to welcome you with a nice wave hello. Come on, guys, say hi. Come on, everybody, say hi. All right, guys. Hi, good job. Very good. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish, are they? What are they? That's right, they're mammals just like you and me, but how can we tell? First, fish move their tails from side to side like this. Show them, guys. Look at that. That's how fish move their tails. But it looks really funny, right, for dolphins? But for dolphins, their tail flukes that powers them through the water, it actually moves up and down, and not side to side, like a fish. Alright, so Enzo and Nala, show them how you do it. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You see that? I told you their tails goes up and down, and not side to side like a fish. Now, we know that our marine mammal friends, they breathe air. But how do they do it? Well, they use the blowhole at the top of their head. Alright, now that blowhole has a lid
Baba lang ako.
that
Baba na lang.
opens and closes so no water gets inside. Did you know that these dolphins are excellent divers? Well, because they can dive as deep as 1,000 feet. And they can even hold their breath for about 8 to 10 minutes. That's when you dive, right? And you know,
Saan ka pupunta? Akan.